So, Mother and I officially started our running era. Yes, that's right. So earlier we joined the Gaisano Grand Run 2025 officially, and it is our first. That's why ang 3K lang sa among joinan para sa atong hunat, and wala na kayo exercise, wala kayo anything. So di sa ta magpataka join sa mga 6 kilometers no, and 12K. And even though I would really love to join the 12K or the 6K, but ato lang sa kuyugan si Mother because it's our first time. And before that, daghan kaayo og mga pa-free taste dito sa venue, and I was really overwhelmed on how organized the event was. I mean, daghan kayo mga freebies, mga grocery bags ko, like, oh my gosh, humanda lang na later because daghan kayo kung nakitaan. Basta inanay mga fun run, daghan kayo panghatag, so let's watch out for that. But before the start ang among 3K, since last man mi nga mudagan, we'll be running at 4:30. Gipauna ang mga 12K and mga 6K. So katong wala pa mi, we joined the Zumba lang sa, and check sa mga booths dito and see unsay nindot pang kwaon later. But when our time came, dito rin sa likod kay ang mga nasa tubangan, mga elite runners mo, di ba mga elite, so ari lang mas likod. So we started our run at around exactly 4:30 a.m. since last Monday, and it was really a nice experience. I really wanted to join mga fun run, but naglisod ko pangitag time. So when mom asked me to join her aning fun run sa Gaisano, I said okay, sige go. And I really wanted to spend time with mom, so bahalag wala ko'y cardio. We have a treadmill at home but rarely used na siya because busy sa work and usahay ganang ko matug after work. But this was a nice start. So we started at Gaisano Grand Fiesta Mall sa Tabunok, and then we made a U-turn somewhere around Barangay Bulacau, Pardo, nga barangay hall somewhere diha. Actually, di naman dyan ka maka-feel sa imong kakapoy, no? Kay daghan man kagkuyog. Ang imo lang dyan kontra, especially wala kay exercise parehan ako, is imuhang bati is. But if imuhang lang dyan sigihon o kanang dagal kay nag-walking, running, naman sa Mother, makaya naman dyan siya. But sige lang, next time, if maka-join me, why not? So, moto siya, dali ra siya. We just finished, I think, less than an hour. But, alam, nalingaw ko sa mga photographers around. So, maglakaw-lakaw mi, basta makakita may suga. Ay, Mother, na i-photographers, unahan man